Bang! I'm slightly lost walking around here as a stranger in Florida, and I saw a show of cars around your place, so I was wondering if I could ask you a few questions, like where the heck should go to arrive to my place. And I'm just walking around here, I'm trying to arrive to my hotel. I don't know, I'm not trying to sell you anything, I'm not trying to get anything from you, but I just saw all of cars around your place, and I thought that it could be.
Cam Masker turns my camera into a hidden camera. All you gotta do is slide your camera into the Cam Masker, and you're ready to go. Cam Masker perfectly hides your Ring or Wyze cameras without interfering with its functions. And now available for Blink Mini.